Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about SSS triangle. I am going to show you how to solve this problem using law of cosines. Find all the angles of the triangle and given sides are A, B and C. Since all the three sides are given, it's a SSS triangle. If it is SSS triangle, we have to use law of cosines and these are the formulas. Here A, B and C are the sides of the triangle and this A, B and C are angles of the triangle. In this triangle A, B and C, opposite to angle A is a side A and opposite to angle B is a side B and opposite to angle C is a side C. Here A is 9, B is 6 and C is equal to 14. First we are going to find angle A. I am going to use a law of cosine formula. A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Here A is 9, so 9 square is equal to B is 6, so 6 square plus C is 14, so 14 square minus 2, B is again 6, C is 14 cos A. 9 square is 81 is equal to 6 square is 36 plus 14 square is 196 minus 2 times 6 times 14 is 168 cos A. Since we have to multiply these two, I am going to put parenthesis. 81 is equal to, I am going to add these two. So 36 plus 196 is 232 minus 168 cos A. Now we have to take out 232. So I am going to subtract 232 on both sides so that the equation doesn't change. And this cancels out. 81 minus 232 is minus 151, which is equal to minus 168 cos A. There is a negative sign in both sides of the equation. So when you multiply by negative 1, these two get cancelled out. So 151 is equal to 168 cos A. I have to take out 168 now. So since these two are in multiplication, I am going to divide by 168 on both sides. Now these two get cancelled out. So 151 divided by 168 is equal to cos A. So I am going to write it as cos A is equal to 151 divided by 168. We want only angle A. So I can write it as A is equal to cos inverse of 151 divided by 168. Now I am going to show you how to find cos inverse of 151 by 168 in a scientific calculator. We have to find cos inverse. So I am going to press the button second. Here there is cos inverse. So cos inverse of 151 divided by 168, close the parenthesis, which is equal to 25.9. That's the answer. So angle A is equal to 25.9 degree. Now we need to find angle B by using law of cosine formula. B square is equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B. Here B is 6, so 6 square is equal to A is 9, so 9 square plus C is 14, so 14 square minus 2 times A is 9, C is 14 cos B. So 6 square is 36, which is equal to 9 square is 81 plus 14 square is 196 minus 2 times 9 times 14 is 252 cos B. Since we have to multiply these two, I'm going to put these two in parentheses. So 36 is equal to, I'm going to add these two. 81 plus 196 is 277 minus 252 cos B. Now we have to remove 277. So I'm going to subtract 277 on both sides, so that the equation doesn't change. I'm cancelling these two. So 36 minus 277 is minus 241, which is equal to minus 252 cos B. So there is a negative sign in both sides of the equation. So I'm going to multiply by -1. So this cancels out. So 241 is equal to 252 cos B. Now I'm going to remove this. Since these two are in multiplication, I'm going to divide 252 on both sides of the equation so that the equation doesn't change. So these two get cancelled out. So 241 divided by 252 is equal to cos B. So I'm rewriting that as cos B is equal to 241 divided by 252. We want only the angle B. So B is equal to, this becomes cos inverse of 241 divided by 252. So I'm going to use a scientific calculator to calculate cos inverse of 241 divided by 252. First we need to find cos inverse. For that we have to press the button second and then cos inverse. Cos inverse of 241 divided by 252, close parenthesis, which is equal to 16.9. That's angle B. So angle B is equal to 16.9 degree. So we know B and we know angle A is equal to 25.9 degree. Now we need to find angle C. So we know the sum of all the angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is 25.9 degree plus angle B is 16.9 degree plus C is equal to 180 degree. 25.9 degree plus 16.9 degree is 42.8 degree plus C is equal to 180 degree. We want only C, so I'm going to subtract 42.8 on both sides, minus 42.8. So this cancels out. So angle C is equal to 180 minus 42.8 is 137.2 degree. So we found angle C. We know angle A is 25.9 degree and angle B is 16.9 degree. So we found all the angles. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.